Hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 297. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here. So our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering here and a 9 covering here, so our 9 must be here. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 5. 1 and 5 here means this is our 6. That makes this our 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 6. No help here. 2, 5, 6. 6 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 2, 9. This 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7, 1 here, so 5, 7. And that means that our 1 has to be here. And with that 2, we can get rid of this 2, which means the only place the 2 can be in that box is here. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 4, 3. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. And that 5 makes this our 7, 5. And to finish off this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 7, 8 here, so 6 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.